Hello, good morning and good afternoon, my fellow crafters. This week is Astronomy Week here at the library, and our theme for story time, of course, is in the sky. And this is the craft. This is a big one, huh? Yeah, it's got a lot going on, but it's not too difficult, and you guys are so super smart. Probably future astronauts. So you'll be able to figure this out easy peasy. So what you're gonna get when you come up to the library to pick up your supplies, either in the building or curbside, whatever you prefer, you will get your piece of blue construction paper for the daytime sky. You will get a black piece of construction paper for the nighttime sky. And this template has everything you need for stars and the moon for nighttime and sun and clouds for the daytime. And of course, right there in the middle, here we are on planet Earth. And it'll go right in the middle and tie everything together so nicely. In addition to your paper supplies, of course, you will need crayons so you can color in your sun, your stars, your moon, and your Earth. And then, of course, your handy dandy scissors and glue stick to glue it all together. So you're just going to color everything in, cut it out, and then just glue right down the middle to get your two pieces of paper together. And voila, you have the whole sky right at your fingertips. So I hope that you really enjoy all the fun activities we have planned this week for our Astronomy Week. We have some other crafts that are available here at the library too to come in and pick up and take home and make. So have a wonderful week, and we'll see you soon. Bye.